Okay, today we will learn about the plant that can live in the water. Now Ustada will show you a kind of plants that live in the water. Let's we go to the river. Let's check it out. Okay, here is the river. Then we will search what kind of plant that can live in this river. Do you want to see the river? Tara. This one. This is the river in Rembang, middle of Java. Let's we go to the river and see what plant that we can found there. Oh, finally we cannot find the water plant, but we can see there is a mangrove. It's like a mangrove tree. So we will go on to another place to find the water plant. Let's go. Water plant. Plants grow all over the world, on land and in the water. Plant parts are suitable to the place in which the plant grows. Water plants have parts that are suitable to being in the water. For example, the roots of the water lily grow underwater, but the leaves and flowers float on the top of the water. All the water plants need sunlight to grow and to make food. Some have roots that anchor them to the ground, and some float around on top of the water. Pondweed grow completely underwater. The roots grow in the mud at the bottom of the pond, and the stem and leaves grow underwater too. The stem grows very tall, so that the leaf reach to just below the surface of the water, where it is still sunny. The stem and leaves are supported by the water. Pondweed will not stand upright when it is out of the water, because it is a water plant, so they cannot stand upright outside the water. Duckweed float on the surface of the water. Its roots do not grow in the soil. Reeds grow along the edge of a pond or river. Their roots are underwater and anchor them in the soil, but their leaves and flowers grow above the water. So the water plant can be all of the part of the plant grow under the water, or maybe just some part of the plant that grow under the water and other part still grow above the water. So different plants grow on land and in the water. Plants have different parts which are suited for water or for land. After we take a walk in the rice field, now we can find the water plant. It's not easy to get the water plant. Look my foot like this. Oh, but it worth it. We found the water plant. What's that? Tara, look at this one. Okay guys, we found water lettuce float on the surface of the water. Its roots do not grow in the soil. It's a family of duckweed. Okay guys, like in these pictures of the book, how lucky we are, we found Water lettuce float on the surface of the water. Okay, let's we try to take it. One plant. This one. Nah, we can see the root. And this is the plant. The plant here, the leaf grow on the surface of the water, and the root grow below or under the water. So this is the water lettuce that floating on the water, and I will put it back like this one. Nah, you can see there are so many here. Okay, you can see this plant get closer. This plant grow in the water, and there is the flowers. The flowers colors is purple. So this water plant, the stem, leaf, and also the flowers grow on the surface of the water, and the roots still grow under the water. What is the name of these flowers? Ustada still search the name of these flowers, but maybe it's a familia of reeds. If you know the name of this water plant, you can write down in a comment. Okay kids, that's all our observation about water plant. Now we know that plant can also grow in the water. Some part of plant can grow under the water. Another part of plant still grow on the surface of the water. Learn science, explore the world.